Bridges. How do they work? Scientists have yet to explain this weird phenomenon. Nevertheless, we're going to build one with dental floss.
Question number 1. How much does tooth floss actually hold?
So I think it's time to go to my dirty garage, and I brought some weights. No, I tried one. But you need to be able to see whether it works under tension, i.e. if you jump on it. So, toss it around, and one wire is not strong enough. So I went for 2, and that held. So, 2 wires for 1.25 kilograms. To stay safe, I'm just gonna say 1 wire, half a kilogram. Now it's time for calculating. I weigh about 80 kilograms, but I'll just make the bridge to hold 100, which means we're gonna need about 200 strands. However, we can't just spend 200 strands from one side to another, because you have 2 feet, as illustrated by He-Man here. You'll be stepping, so we're gonna need about 2 lanes, both of which can hold my weight at 200 strands, giving me a total of 400 strands needed. Now the question is, where do we build it? And the Netherlands is full of tiny little rivers like this. But there's one problem. That is farmland owned by a farmer, and they're allowed to own guns over here. And I don't want to get shot. Yet. Maybe for a later video. We're gonna have to do it in my shed. So I got this table at a thrift shop. I wanted to put a jigsaw underneath as well, but sadly enough, I don't have enough subscribers to afford one. All that's needed is some spare pieces of wood, and we can span a bridge across. But first, I want to strengthen this table a bit, because I don't think it's gonna hold. Okay, so got our wood attached, and I'm just gonna add in a couple of screws, around which we can spin the dental floss, making our bridge.
This is the plan. You just gotta anchor some tooth floss over here, going there, back and forth. Should be stable enough.
Let's get to spinning. Now, fair warning, I didn't realize this, but apparently they put spearmint on tooth floss. I almost fainted and my entire shed smells very fresh. So if you try this at home, be wary of that. Time to try it out.
Now, here's the final result. 200 wires on each side. I hope it holds me. Well, fuck. Yeah, I guess the IKEA table wasn't strong enough. So, time for plan B.
This is the second attempt, and I carpented, I guess, a way sturdier piece of kit, which should hold my weight. Oh, and I forgot to mention last time, I put a good 2 tubes of hot glue on the screws to make sure that everything stays in place nice and firm. You also see it's a bit crooked, but that's because everything needs to be under minor tension. Otherwise it's not gonna work.
Okay, here we go. It's holding. Working like a charm. Shit, it actually works.
And to everyone's surprise, it actually worked. Now, I already have a few ideas how to make it so, well, you can deploy it in the wild, so to speak. So maybe one day in a future video, I'll do it again, but better. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.